once we have finished the project management plan, we can go to the next step in the project management process, which is project execution, and at the same time we will also work on the monitor and control step. Monitor and control is very important because we want to verify that our project is being completed in the way that we planned it. So here we will look first at project execution, then we will have a look at monitoring and controlling the project, and the final slide is about change management. Project execution can start once the project has been completed and the project is approved for execution. It may happen that we discover some hidden issues during planning, risk events that will endanger project success, or the cost is too high or return too low and the project does not meet the set financial goals. In case the project will not get a go and will not be executed, the team will go straight to the closing step so that all valuable information that has been obtained during the planning can be used later in other projects, or the project can be reopened when the circumstances change. Once the project is approved, the kickoff meeting will be organized. In some cases, this can also have been done at the early beginning of the project at initiation. During the kickoff meeting, the team members and stakeholders will be informed about the project and they will understand what they can expect. For the team members, it is a great occasion to meet their peers and they will understand what the project is about, what is expected from them, and how the project will be delivered. It is during execution that the project deliverables are created and we have to see how the plan is going, because the plan may be changed, but it has to be done in a managed way. We will talk about that in the last slide of this presentation. I already told you that monitoring and controlling the project is very important. The deliverables are being created and the project manager will collect and monitor the data related to the activity parameters. These parameters are the start and finish time of the activities and their respective costs. With this information, it is possible to determine the earned value parameters of the project at any time during execution and determine the progress, estimate project completion time, and the final cost of the project. Based on the data, the project manager and the team will assess the situation and determine necessary measures to be taken. In the worst case, the team may decide to kill the project, of course, always together with the project sponsor and the other stakeholders. Change will happen. Of course, people don't always like changes, but my project management experience tells me that any project will be confronted with changes due to different reasons. It is very important to manage changes properly. If changes are not managed properly, we may end up with creep, and we know that creep increases the cost of the project and the risk. Or we have gold plating, where we implement a nicer solution that will cost more money, but doesn't bring anything additional to the project. It immediately affects the financial performance and reduces the profit. All changes that are being proposed have to be evaluated. There is the change control board that will evaluate all different changes and advise what to do with those changes. Once the change has been approved, it will lead to baseline changes. We'll have to adjust the project management plan to those changes. In a deterministic environment or waterfall, implementing a change is complex and discouraged. There is a lot of work to do and a lot of risk involved, and in many cases, changes in a deterministic environment will not be accepted so easily. In an adaptive environment where we have Scrum, Agile or Kanban, changes can be implemented very easy, either at every new sprint, or they can be implemented continuously when we are using a Kanban system. Another session finished. A great job. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the next session. Thank you.